Sounds, and we listen to your breath sounds and voice sounds today.
Okay.
All right, let me wash my hands real quick.
Sure.
All right, can I just see your name badge?
Sure.
All right, and what's your first and last name?
Mark, and last name Pulmonary.
All right, and what is your date of birth?
June 1st, 1957.
All right, great. All right, I'm going to have you sit on the bed, and I'll explain the procedure to you.
Okay. Just have a seat like on the edge here.
Oh, right here, that's fine.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
great. All right, so I'm going to listen to your breath sounds. I'm going to just put my stethoscope on different parts of your body. And while I'm doing that, I just need to take a deep breath in and just relax and breathe out fine, normally fine.
All right.
And then if you feel lightheaded, dizzy, or anything like that, just let me know. I'm going to be doing your front, your sides, and your back.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, because I've been congested for a while, so that's why I'm here today.
Okay,
so.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's. All right, take a deep breath in. 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 Last one. All right, great.
All right.
Now what I'm going to have you do is just lift your arms like this. And I'm going to listen to your sides.
Okay. What, there are lungs on the sides too?
Yes, sir. All right, sir, take a deep breath in. Deep breath in. Okay, take a deep breath in. All right, sir, take a deep breath in. All right, deep breath. Great. And last one. All right. All right, you can put your arms down. So I'm just going to listen to your back. How do you feel?
A little short of breath there.
Short breath. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, once we finish with this, we'll get the nurse to see you.
All right.
After that. All right. Take a deep breath in. All right, take a deep breath in. All right, sir. I'm going to have you roll your shoulders forward.
Kind of like vacuuming?
Yes, like that.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Does that make it sound better, or?
It do make it sound better, and I can hear your lungs better in the back too.
Oh, okay.
Also. All right, take a deep breath in. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Deep breath.
Can we take a break here for a second?
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to catch my breath. You know, doing a lot of breathing there. So.
Okay. Well, let me know when you're ready.
Okay, you can go ahead. You want me still with the shoulders forward like that?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes. Take another deep breath in. And deep breath in. All right. And deep breath. All right. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath in. All right. And then deep breath in. All right. Get a deep breath in. All right. So I got all of your lung sounds. The next thing I'm going to do is listen to your voice sounds.
Oh, okay.
And during this part, I'm going to have you say E, E, E 3 times like that. It's going to be the same routine when I move my stethoscope around your body.
Okay, what's the reason of me saying that? Do you hear something different, or?
Just want to make sure that I hear no consolidation at all, which is can be stuff inside your lungs, which we want to make sure that there's nothing in there at all.
Okay, alright.
Alright?
Sure.
Alright, you can go ahead.
E, E, E.
Alright.
E, E, E.
Okay.
E, E, E.
Alright.
E, E, E.
Okay.
E, E, E.
Alright.
E, E, E. E, E, E. E, E, E. E, E, E.
Last one from the front.
E, E, E.
Alright. Great. How do you feel right now?
So far, so good.
Okay. Same routine as before. I'm going to have you lift your arms out.
Okay.
Oh, let's listen to your sides. Alright.
E, E, E. E, E, E. E, E, E. E, E, E. E, E, E.
Okay.
E, E, E.
Alright, you can put your arms down. It's the last one. Then I'm just going to listen to your back as before.
Okay. E, E, E. E, E, E. E, E, E. E, E, E.
Go ahead and just roll your shoulders forward for me.
Oh, okay. E, E, E. 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 E, E, E.
Alright. And that is it.
Alright.
Did you have any questions for me at all, sir?
Hope everything sounded fine. You know, that's all I can say at this point.
Okay.
Thanks.
Alright. Well, thank you. And
Right.
let me help you out.
Sure.
Right.
Thanks. Oh, okay. Have a seat over here then?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes. And the doctor will be in to see you shortly.
Alright, thanks.
Alright.
And your name again was?
Nice. Deontay Sheffield.
Alright, thank you.
Alright. No problem, sir. You're welcome.
Thanks.